In 2010, Xiamen Kehan Electronics Company Limited was born in Xiamen, Fujian, China. Our production line is mainly used to produce high-quality wire harnesses. For the customers, we aim to keep the leading research and development, manufacturing technology, the advanced environmental protection consciousness, continually improve product quality, optimizing the management system, and perfect after-sales services. Now we mainly offer you the wires products list as various electronic wire harness wiring design, custom vehicle wiring harness, home appliance wire harness, customized industrial wire harness, computer wire harness, overmolded cables, overmolded plug, power cable types. Products have been widely used in office equipment, communications, household appliances, industrial automation, automobile, etc. At Kehan, you will get quality-assured products, and you will see that all raw materials are environmentally friendly and meet export quality standards. In addition, we have passed UL certification and ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. Kehan is committed to producing high-quality products for you. If you need, we can also provide relevant ROS, REACH test reports, professional quality inspection team with core tools. High-quality products cannot just be judged by shouting. We use the evaluation data to tell you that the quality of our products is absolutely reliable. We are so proud of the full range of QC equipment so that we can keep your every single product to meet the standard.